Imagine living on a small island nation scattered across the vast Pacific Ocean, where getting access to essential goods and financial services can feel like a daunting task. But what if I told you that this tiny country, the Marshall Islands, has taken a bold step into the future by adopting a digital currency, powered by a cutting-edge blockchain called Algorand? Welcome to Whiteboard Crypto, the #1 channel for making crypto easy to understand. Today we're diving into why the Marshall Islands chose Algorand as its official digital currency, how this technology works, and whether it's something you should consider adding to your portfolio. Stick around because by the end of this video you'll have a clear understanding of Algorand's potential, and whether it's the right investment for you. We're not just going to explain Algorand, we're going to break down its unique features, compare it to other blockchains, and even delve into its tokenomics. Plus, we'll touch on why it's one of the most environmentally friendly blockchains out there. Let's jump in. So what makes Algorand so special that an entire country has chosen it for their national currency? Algorand is a blockchain that addresses the infamous blockchain trilemma. The challenge of achieving speed, security, and decentralization all at once. This concept is like trying to juggle 3 balls perfectly. If you focus too much on one, the others might drop. But Algorand has figured out how to keep all 3 in the air. Founded by Silvio Macaulay, an MIT professor and Turing Award-winning cryptographer, Algorand was built to handle thousands of transactions per second and finalize them in less than 5 seconds. That's faster than traditional financial systems and many other blockchains. Imagine buying a cup of coffee with Bitcoin and having to wait 10 minutes for the transaction to go through. Algorand aims to make that a thing of the past. Now, let's break down how Algorand works. Most blockchains use a proof-of-work or proof-of-stake system to validate transactions. But Algorand uses something called pure proof-of-stake (PPOS). Think of traditional proof-of-stake as a VIP club where only those who can afford to stake their coins can get in and earn rewards. Pure proof-of-stake, on the other hand, is like a community gathering where everyone gets a share, just by showing up. In Algorand, all holders of its native currency, ALGO, are rewarded simply for holding onto their coins. You don't need to lock them up or run special software. This means that the network remains decentralized, with rewards distributed more evenly across the community. Plus, your wallet grows at an annual rate of 4 to 6% just by holding ALGO. Now that's passive income done right. Algorand isn't just fast and secure, it's also highly functional. It supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps. These are like digital vending machines that operate on their own. Once you've set the rules, they run without needing human intervention. Algorand's smart contracts are built on a framework called the Algorand Standard Asset (ASA) protocol. If you've ever heard of Ethereum's ERC20 tokens, think of ASAs as an upgraded version. But here's the kicker. Instead of writing complex code from scratch, you simply fill out a form to create a new asset, which makes it much easier and safer for developers to work with. This simplicity has attracted many developers who are frustrated with high fees and slower transaction times on Ethereum. Let's take a closer look at one of Algorand's standout features, its 2-layer blockchain structure. Imagine a busy highway where traffic is flowing smoothly on the main lanes, but every now and then, some vehicles need to take a side road for a more complex route. Algorand's Layer 1 is like the main highway, handling most transactions and smart contracts quickly and securely. But for those more complex operations, like large-scale smart contracts or intensive computations, there's Layer 2. This layer operates off the main chain, but it periodically checks back in, ensuring everything stays secure and in sync. This clever design allows Algorand to scale efficiently without compromising on speed or security. Beyond the tech, Algorand is supported by a vibrant community and 2 key organizations, the Algorand Foundation and Algorand Inc. The foundation is a non-profit that oversees protocol governance and promotes open-source development, while Algorand Inc. focuses on enterprise adoption. Together, they sponsor blockchain events, hackathons, and even university courses, spreading knowledge and driving innovation. But here's something really unique. Algorand is actually carbon negative. That means it doesn't just minimize its environmental impact, it actively works to reduce it. By using a low-energy consensus mechanism and partnering with climate trade to offset carbon emissions, Algorand is setting a new standard for eco-friendly blockchain technology. Algorand isn't just theoretical, it's being used in the real world today. We've already seen how the Marshall Islands adopted Algorand for their national digital currency, but the potential use cases go far beyond that. From digital art and NFTs to secure, transparent supply chains, Algorand's versatility makes it a strong candidate for a wide range of applications. And as more countries and companies explore blockchain solutions, don't be surprised if you start seeing Algorand pop up in places you never expected. Now let's quickly touch on tokenomics. ALGO, Algorand's native currency, is inflationary, meaning new coins are regularly minted and distributed to stakers. There's a maximum supply of 10 billion ALGO coins, with around 6.15 billion currently in circulation. Some concerns have been raised about the distribution of these coins, particularly that Algorand Inc. holds a large portion. However, the network remains decentralized, and as an ALGO holder, you can participate in governance, shaping the future of the blockchain. If you found this deep dive into Algorand insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto content. Share it with a friend who could benefit from this. Before you go, don't miss our next video. Check out the links on the screen and subscribe to the channel for the latest updates in crypto and join the Telegram channel.